Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today I'll be doing another Scalescenes kit because I'm still waiting for the postman. I'm getting a little bit worried now because it has been nearly 2 weeks. But anyway, this is the Scalescenes Tunnel portal, as you can see from down here. I'll just bring it closer. Tunnel portal, the product code is R014N because it's a N scale or N gauge kit. I picked the dark red brick colour, so just in case you're wondering which one I picked. But yeah, it's a fairly simple kit, but since it's a tunnel I need to make it twice, so I printed it out twice and I've got all the card ready. I've even glued these two parts down because I've already sliced it out already as well. But yes, it's a very simple kit, but I said the card which you need, just in case you were wondering, is 1mm thick card for the heavy card and 200 GM, probably grams per meter, for medium card. And for light card you just need to print it, glue it onto more paper, for N scale anyway. But yeah, I'll say it's a fairly simple, I keep saying it's a fairly simple kit, but yeah, I'll be using a prick stick to glue it all down because I haven't got anything else, because I said post is not arriving yet. I will need to put this in between two bits of wood and then press it all down just so that it basically it flattens it all down and there's no air bubbles or anything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. So I should crack on and make my kit. Yeah, but yeah, I don't expect it to take me all that long. It'd probably just take me longer just to record it. If I wasn't recording, it'd probably take probably about half hour for each kit. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, I'll do my slideshow thing and you'll get to see it as I'm building it. So yeah, I'll glue this up and I'll see you in a bit. And here we are with the finished tunnel entrance. I was going to build the second one, but then I realised I can't actually fit these where I want to, which is again annoying. Put all that effort into building one of these and then find out it won't actually fit where I want it to. But it has given me an idea of how to sort out my backup tunnels and stuff like that. But as you can see, I haven't varnished it, so you don't get any glare from the light, but it did take me a little bit longer than I thought, mainly because I asked about and got distracted and ended up watching an awful lot of Babylon 5. But yeah, I have got the second one stored away, so I can build that if I want to, and I have got the extra pieces here, which I probably won't use. I'll just put them in the recyclable bin. But it doesn't really matter because it's made out of cardboard. If you don't need any bits, you can stick them in the recyclable bin, and you're doing something for the environment. And like I said, if I need them again, I can just print them back off. All it'll cost me is time and just glue and printing and stuff. But yeah, it's a nifty little simple kit. A few things are a bit awkward, which is scoring these, because you have to score a lot of times, and yeah, you can break it quite easily, so you have to be a bit careful with that, and also getting this profile on the back quite nice. But yeah, other than that, it's decently simple, and yeah, it can only work on straight track, which is a bit of a problem, like I said, problem for me, because where I've got my tunnel, it's on a curved track. So yeah, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this rather simple video, and yeah, hopefully I can bring about some better things next time. What have I got? What is my next kit? Just so you have something to look forward to in the future. When the thing wants to load. My next kit will be... I'll be having a bash at doing a Southern Railway Q class. So hopefully I can do that one. That one does involve a little bit of fixing because it's an incomplete kit. But yeah, other than that, that's what you have to look forward to. So I hope you... that's one kit, but I've got Bosnport coming up at some point, and I've got another little layout which I hope to be working on, and also, as always, more reviews. So that's me from Gosport Railworks, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again next time. So don't forget to subscribe, which really does help my channel. Comment if you really you feel like leaving me a little message. If you look down in the description box, you'll also see a link to my Facebook group, which I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing with, but it's there in case you want to have a look at it, and also like the video. So, I'll see you again. Bye bye now.